Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to give you the solutions regarding the final week, that is week 8 of the course Cloud Computing. Friends, all these are 100% correct answers and just keep belief in me, and thanks for your support for traveling me throughout this course. So I'll try to give you the best and 100% accurate answers every time. So keep supporting me the way you have supported our channel through all these days, and keep supporting for the future also. And coming to this video, please watch the video till the end without skipping, because if you watch the video till the end, you will be able to note those in between changes if I done anything. So let's continue with our video. The first question: containers can share the OS kernel with other containers. So this is absolutely true. So mark option A as correct answer for first question. So mark option A as correct answer. And coming to second question: as energy costs are dash while availability dash, there is a need to shift focus from optimizing data center resource management for pure performance alone to optimizing for energy efficiency while maintaining high service level performance. So actually the first two are, we can compare this, as energy costs are increasing, see here, increasing while availability decreases here, and this is here. So mark option A as correct answer for second question. Actually they have given the check boxes which represent multiple answers can be correct, but is a act of getting you distracted from the actual answer. So don't mind those. You have to mind those where it actually need, but if you are pretty sure with your answer, no need to be distracted by the way they have given. So the answer for second question is first blank increasing, second one decreases. So answer is option A. So mark option A as correct answer for second question. Coming to third question: and dash is a lightweight standalone executable package. So by just seeing these first three terms, actually first term itself we can guess it. So what is it? It is image. So mark option C, image as correct answer for third question, that is option C. Third option for third question is correct answer. An image is a lightweight standalone executable package. So fourth question: a green broker can perform scheduling of applications to reduce energy consumption. Yes, it is true. So mark option A as correct answer. Friends, you can comment if you feel any doubt or changing the answers. So I'll try to reply for your valid comments. So in this question, the answer is option A, true. And coming to fifth question: Docker RMI is used to delete a local image. So Docker RMI is used to delete a local image. So mark option A as correct answer for fifth question. That is option A. And coming to sixth question, they have given two statements. Let's read those and assume, and also mark whether they are correct or not for every statement. Two statements: sensor cloud proxy manages sensor network connectivity between the sensor resources and the cloud. So it is true only, so it is correct. And second statement, statement 2, sensor network is still managed from the sensor cloud interface via sensor network proxy. It is also true, it is also correct. So which option it is? Option C, Both statements are true. So mark option C as correct answer for sixth question. And coming to seventh question, an IoT platform has following basic building blocks. What are the three basic building blocks we know? They are things, gateway, network and cloud. So option A, things, option B, gateway, and option C, network and cloud. All these three are basic building blocks of IoT platform. So mark A, B, C. Before I said we should mark wherever it is necessary. Here it is necessary to mark all multiple choice, multiple options. So A, B and C. These three are correct answers for seventh question. And coming to eighth one, question, which of the following command is used to download image from repository? So which command? It is pull command. Pull command is used to download image from repository. So mark option C as correct answer for eighth question. And coming to last but one question, that is ninth question. Sensor cloud enables. So what it enables? It enables sharing. It also enables users to easily collect, access and process, and also it enables different networks spread in huge geographical areas. So mark option A, B and also C. All these three are correct answers again for ninth question. So mark first option A, second option B, and third one option C. Correct answers for ninth question. And coming to the final question of this week and also for the assignment also course also, they have given match the following. That means they have given two lists, list 1 and list 2. So what is Docker Hub? Actually Docker Hub is a registry in which is used to host various Docker images. It is option 1. So 1 is matched, A is matched with 1. Here we have two options with A as 1. If we see B or C, it will be pretty clear for us. So let's see. Docker engine. Actually, what is the Docker engine? Docker engine is a it builds Docker images and creates Docker containers. Which option it is? It is 3. So B3, A1, B3. And what is Docker Compose? Docker Compose define applications using multiple Docker containers. So 2. It means 1, 3, 1, 3 and 2. So which option it is? It is absolutely option D, 1, 3 and 2. This order. So don't be confused and mark option D as correct answer. So friends, this is the assignment and I hope you will keep supporting me like this in the future also. And on that note, I'm ending this video. So friends, write the exam well and score well. Until then, be safe, be happy, keep supporting me like this, subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. Until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you, bye.